So I just got the sucker in the mail. I thought, let's open it together.
Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today. Cast me far away.
So let's see, they send me their brand new rubberized blue wheels. I am definitely going to be putting these on. These look absolutely sick. And of course, there's a box of accessories. Let's see what we got in here. Got your charger cable. It's always handy. And you got your Seahorse wireless remote with your cruise control, your power buttons, and your drive modes. And of course, the throttle. Let's see. Throttle forward, braking, forward mode, backward mode. And then you can also set your brake modes on here. Very nice. So what we got here? Headlamp, LED headlamp. This thing is super bright. I already have one of these. We've got your charging cable with the, oh, this is what I got. The rear red light for in the dark so cars can see you. With the LED, with the USB charger. That's in there as well. Of course, you get a tool, an adjusting kit. What else is in here? Of course, the rest of the chargers in here as well. And then, of course, you get your TeamGee operation manual for electric skateboard. And this one's in English. Great, my previous one was all in Chinese. So this one I might actually read. Very nice packaging. Lord, this thing is pretty. And there she is, folks, the new TeamGee H20. This is the H20 model. This thing has not been released yet. It is not on their website. It is not officially for sale. I'm probably one of the first few people who will get to ride this. So stoked. You can already see this board is much thinner deck because it doesn't need to have that battery pack inside because the battery pack is now underneath. You got your power button, your charging ports, and then of course your motors at the back here. Two 480 watt rear motors, and then your battery pack. Funky new design. It also seems a lot smaller than the other board. Let me compare it with the H9. So it's a tiny bit shorter than the H9 on the front, but you can see from the side view, it's a much thinner deck. And it's much lighter as well. I didn't know anything about the board until they sent it to me, and I just got the spec sheet now. So let's quickly go through some of the highlights of it. This one is supposed to have more range than the H9 has. We'll quickly get to that in a bit. The board material. So this deck is made out of 8 layers of Canadian maple and fiberglass, and this one is a thickness of only 12.5 millimeters. Minimum and the maximum load. The minimum load is 20 kilograms, the maximum load 80 kilograms. Now I'm 994. I think it should be okay. We'll definitely see if this thing can carry me. Let's see, it's still got the 4 drive modes. You got your low, medium, high, and then high plus. This one is supposed to be faster. This one goes up to 42, 43 kilometers per hour. We're definitely going to be testing that. And then you got the 4 brake modes again. The battery type, 18650 lithium batteries, 36 volts standard charge, and then, okay, 2 480 watt rear motors. We said that before. Torque, 6 nanometers of torque. We got the charging time, 4 to 6 hours. Climbing angle, board, price of paper, speed, brake, driving mileage. Okay, this thing, holy crap. This thing is supposed to go 32 kilometers? Oh, damn. 32 kilometers, and that's on the smallest of the battery sizes. So they have 3 battery options in this one. You got the 6 amp hour, which goes a maximum of 32 kilometers. The 7.5 amp hour, which can go 40 kilometers, and then you get the 9.6 amp hours, and that one goes up to 50 kilometers. That's a hell of a lot of range. There's nothing much to do now until let's get it charged up and let's take it for a spin.